Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use collapsible multiple level outlines in Goodnotes in 2026. Want to organize your notes like a pro in Goodnotes? Collapsible multiple level outlines can make your notes cleaner and easier to navigate. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use them by just following these few simple steps. Now before we start, a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you can download the application from there by searching for the application. Then you find their name, and then you're gonna find the app and make sure to click on install and log in with your Google account. After that, you're gonna click on open a new note. For example, you can create or open a note. For example, I'm gonna open this note right here and start writing your main headline. Like for example, we're gonna we're gonna write a text, and I'm gonna write a smaller text right here as to underneath it using indentions or bullet points. For example, text right here, it is displayed. I'm writing it with a handy like this, and you can use the outline or structure feature to define levels, main topics, subtopics, and details. Now we're gonna look for this option right. You can use the lasso to select the text or the page or etc. and use like these options, or use AI. For example, you can use this to write and scroll the text, and then you can use the AI feature. Let's go back here. Let's select the writing again, and we're gonna select this icon right here, and you can write the prompts. Yeah, you can even tell it how to use collapsible multiple level outlines in Goodnotes here. And then once set, you can collapse or expand sections to hide or show contents. You can also add, or for example, you can open this bar right here, and then you're gonna add page to outline, so you can have this feature right here. Now collapsible outlines make your notes more organized and easier to review. Use them and study smarter and stay focused. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.